Hi, I'm Jeroen from Siemens PLM Software, and together with my colleague Aga, we are proudly presenting LMS Sound Camera, the latest member of our TestLab sound source localization family. The array has digital microphones with all electronics integrated. It has a modular design, which makes this array applicable for a variety of applications and a wide frequency range. It comes with a dedicated software for real-time acoustic troubleshooting and on-the-spot analysis. Unlike others, this software adapts instantly to distance, frequency or averaging changes and actually stores data that can be analyzed later.
So why do we need sound source localization in the first place? In short, by knowing where the sound is coming from, you can accelerate your acoustic troubleshooting. This enables you to enhance the product's acoustic design. Traditional arrays require a lot of analog microphones and measurement channels, which makes them expensive, slow to set up and quite complex to use. We set out to create a tool that tackles all of these issues. Sound Camera actually gives an instant overview of all sound sources. So instead of having discussions on a tiny little peak in the spectrum, you can now have a single picture that shows where the noise is coming from. You can ship this tool in a box to the other side of the world, have a field operator troubleshoot a noise issue, and you'll be sure to get the right data back.
Now here we have already set up this array, which is done in about 1 or 2 minutes. That really lowers the threshold to use this tool. In fact, it's like a screwdriver in your toolbox. You can take it anytime you need to, and you don't need to read a manual to figure out how it's set up. So what can we do with it? A typical use case is the one of the moving operator. The operator starts in the far field, assesses which sound sources are interesting to have a look at it in more detail. Then he moves into the near field and he gets a zoomed view of these sound sources. And you could actually handheld it. And then we also have, of course, where the sound source itself is moving. It may be a crane or another object where it's moving during its operational cycle. And this array can be used to actually catch these different sources.
The Sound Camera array can be directly connected to the LMS TestLab HD acoustic camera software. This allows you to benefit from the 4 additional built-in auxiliary data channels on the back of the camera that support both AC and ICP sensors. You can do that still without having a front-end connected. When on top, you will need additional channels, so you can combine the Sound Camera with an LMS SCADA's mobile front-end for data acquisition. All attributes of an object are measured simultaneously by various sensors. So you can measure pressure, vibration, strain, but also digital inputs from the CAN bus. All of this data can be correlated with the source locations. Finally, by processing data with LMS TestLab, you can gain engineering insight. It has methods to increase spatial resolution, the size of the red spot on the hologram, but also to estimate sound power of components and increase your productivity by batch calculating large amounts of data.
So to summarize, LMS Sound Camera is an affordable and complete sound source localization tool to accelerate your acoustic troubleshooting. It's a versatile solution, which makes it a secure investment to serve various teams and tasks.